Okay, so let's dive into something super fascinating. Let's talk about end-to-end encryption, specifically using WhatsApp as an example. It's this digital fortress that protects your messages from prying eyes. Picture this. Imagine sending a secret letter in an old-school spy movie. You seal it in an envelope, and only the intended recipient has the key to open it. That's essentially how end-to-end encryption works.
Way to secure. So is that why they say it's secure? Because only I and the person I'm messaging can read it?
Exactly. It's all about privacy. With end-to-end encryption, your message travels in this big digital bubble. Even WhatsApp themselves can't see what you're saying. Think of it as putting your conversation inside a safe that only you and your friend have the combination to.
That's wild. So what if, your message accidentally hits a hacker's radar or something?
Great question. Okay, so imagine a hacker as a burglar trying to crack open that safe. If they don't have the combination, meaning they don't possess your encryption key, it doesn't matter how clever they are, they can't get access to your message. It's all encrypted in such a way that it remains utterly meaningless to them.
Oh, wow. So I've heard stories about how spies must use stuff like that. Are there real-world examples where this encryption is crucial?
Absolutely. Think about journalists working in repressive regimes. They often use apps like WhatsApp to communicate with sources without the fear of getting caught. End-to-end encryption is literally a lifeline for them. It's like having a secret passageway when you're surrounded by danger. And there's more. Activists organize protests and share vital information that could be intercepted.
Whoa, so it's not just about texting my friends about dinner. This is digital revolution stuff.
Precisely. It's empowering people to communicate freely. But it does raise another debate. It can be a double-edged sword. While it protects personal privacy, it also creates a haven for people with nefarious intentions, like smugglers or hackers.
That's intriguing. So it's kind of like giving everyone superpowers, but some people might use those powers for bad?
Spot on. And that's the crux of the dilemma. How do we balance security and freedom? It's a discussion that's more relevant now than ever, especially with technology evolving so rapidly.
It's like a superhero movie where the powers can save or destroy cities. So how do we ensure those powers are used for good?